Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2001 310 Sea Ray Sundancer. This boat has a 33 feet length overall, 11 foot 2-inch beam, 200-gallon fuel tank. This boat is equipped with the 350 Mercruiser with approximately 527 hours. This boat also has a 4.5 kilowatt Westerbeek generator, which was just rebuilt. On the port side, you will see a wet bar with a sink. On the driver's helm, you will see a Garmin GPS 182C depth finder and map. You have a Raytheon depth unit, as well as a Raytheon VHS. Entering the cabin, to the port side you have your head with wet shower, galley to the port with Norcold refrigerator, microwave, 2-burner stove, and a sink. You have a forward berth with enough room for 2 people. You have a starboard side dinette table and a berth in the back. This boat is equipped with a 16,000 BTU cruise air heat reverse cycle air unit. Please stop by MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina to take a look at this boat. Thank you. Have a good day.